Like it's really just, it's all about them good times, and that's what I'm trying to express to y'all. Them good vibes with good people. That's all you need. Loyalty thicker than blood, and blood thicker than water. 100. All I need in this life is good times and good vibes with good people. We in them streets. None of my dogs worry if we gon' eat. Straight out the muscle, we flipping them keys. Got up some balls just to get some new sneaks. When Mikey get home, boy, we running them streets. The feds on their head, so we staying low key. Them boys be talking that heat. Run up on me, then you know it's RP. Walk in the club, they all looking at me. Them boys gon' mug and that girls gon' scream. You walking with her, but she walk out with me. Took her back to the crib, gave her that D. Fuck her so good that she went straight to sleep. Right-handed got, she ain't staying with me. Ha! 2 nines to his chest, calling Warren Sapp. Why rap what I rep it to my death. This ain't what you want, hit you with that pump. Catch you in them streets and leave your body slumped. Yeah, I gotta get it, ain't no stacking limit. Searching for the money, different ways to get it. Always stay stacking, I always stay spending. Never been tripping, cause I'm money getting. All of my goons be mobbing. No Batman, but we robbing. Your girl on my dick, yeah, she slobbing. The whole of the night trending topic. No love for these hoes cause they gossip. Keep begging for the dick, don't stop it. Record the shit and then watch it. Girl, you know that's just how I like it. R.I.P. to Big Mac. R.I.P. to Paul. Real talk. R.I.P. to TC and R.I.P. to Jug. Real talk. R.I.P. to the realest homie Odell up in heaven. You too cold for that hell, homie. He's smiling down upon us. Yeah. Man, it's too cold out here in the Y. What? And it's too cold out there in the D. What? You gotta hustle hard to survive, so you don't get bled dry in them streets. 100. I'm Jesse Young and trying to keep it trail. I'm Jesse Young and trying to keep it real. I'm Jesse Young and trying not to kill, but temptation's too real to grip on myself. Damn, these boys be talking raw, but you see my dogs and they going hard like pit bulls in Mike Vick's backyard. They coming at your neck and they ain't never gonna stop. Damn, these boys just talk a lot, but you see we got straps and we shoot them off. And this white boy that been through a lot, no vodka shots, but I'm popping off. All you new bitches, they my old hoes. And on my new song be the hot flow. Damn little bitch, let my nuts go. Been my dick too long, you can't deep throat. Shut up little bitch, you a busto. About to spend a couple rests in the casino. Heard little homie was rapping about me, dawg, so I hit him with the fofo. Hit a fuck boy from different angles. My side piece be his main hoe. Told that fuck boy this the takeover. Yeah, GGMGH, we gon' take over. I told my dogs that I got it. No Weezy, but we steady mobbing. WD be about it. I roll with them goons that catch bodies. We body snatching, you fed snitching. Toss them in the lake, man, that's the feds business. Boy, I been about it, we was bred different. I come from Iraq where they Glock lifting. I was born real, never thought different. Lost my ex-girl cause these thought bitches. I should've been smart, should've thought different. But oh well, it's on to them next bitches.